Calm yourself. Good fella. Head up. You'll be okay.
And who might you be?
A caller, John Marston. Years ago, a friend of mine helped you retrieve your horse. And your leg.
Oh, yeah. Come on in. Arthur, wasn't it?
It's the one. He, passed soon after that.
Sorry to hear that.
I was reading through his journal. Thought I'd pay you a call.
Well, I'm grateful for it. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, he was a kind man to me. Hey, you want to go out fishing? Supposed to take him years ago.
All right. Sure. Why not?
All right. Boat's out this way. Come on. Here she is. You mind rowing?
Sure. What are we fishing for?
Only one thing worth catching in this lake. The great tyrant. Mean as hell northern pike. Eats everything else that spawns around here, its own kind included.
That our bait then? A jack or something?
Hell no. He's a clever old bastard. I made these. This one's mine. You're gonna have to spare.
They're pretty.
You don't know the half of it. Come on, let's push off. I'll show you where we're rowing to.
Take us over there to the right. We'll set up 10 yards or so offshore. He don't keep far away from me, the tyrant. Wants me to know whose lake it is.
Oh, we'll show him who's boss.
Ha ha! The optimism of youth. You got that lure I gave you? Get her out. Right here. We'll cast off towards the island.
Okay.
I spent years working on that. Find right combination of feathers, twine, and glimmer. Making them, losing them, getting them right. I tried coins, shell casings, even a medal. Finally found something he seems to like. And now I hear you can buy him in a shop.
Wouldn't be quite so satisfying getting him with something shop bought.
Easy for you to say. But maybe I'm inclined to agree. Whoa, what's this?
Hey, you got something?
I got something all right.
Hey. You need...
Come on now, tyrant, I got you. I got you. Come on. Went all slack. Come back. Oh, it's a drop!
Hamish! Hamish! Stay there! I'll row out to you.
Real quick! Bastard just bumped me!
Come on up here. Okay. You lost anything?
Just my rod. Would've gotten my toes, too. They weren't wooden.
If you want another go at him, I still got my lure.
Nah. He's your fish now. Cast away.
We'll come at him from the other way. Row over there. bummed to me. I had to check twice. Thought I'd find a chunk of me missing.
Man-eating pike. That would be a first.
I'm not so sure. Okay, right here. Our hopes of catching this bastard lie with you. Cast back to where we were, and make sure to use that lure I gave you. Now reel a mite quicker. I think
I hooked him.
reel. Let's land the bastard. Time to reel. Come on! Come on! Don't let him pull you. Reel it in. Strong, ain't he? Yes! Start reeling.
Come on. Here we go.
Damn you! Tyrant!
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? You caught him! Let's row back. Here. The holder. Pass me the tyrant. That is if you're sure you don't want him.
I ain't gonna poach from your pond.
I'll give him his honors then. He sure was something, huh?
Yeah. He was. Thanks for taking me out.
I appreciate the company.
That's one hell of a fish.
Ain't he something?
So long.
Hey, you ever want to go out hunting? You stop by again.
I may.